before they stop.
Who's got him? Where are they? What? Yeah.
No. Chris, here, you take one, I take one. Light it, pitch it. Okay? Twist the end of the wick together. So they light it.
Oh, holy fuck!
Who the hell did that one?
Hold on. I take one, you take one, alright?
Oh.
Let go.
Well, just throw them both at the same time.
No. I grab one, you grab one.
No,
light
Jared. Jared, they both gotta get going at the same
here,
time.
You light it then.
Don't throw it till I tell you because they both have to be running.
Hold up.
Oh!
I got two more.
She burnt herself good. Like,
Throw one on that.
Okay, no.
hello. She burnt herself good. Like, seriously.
Uh-oh.
Oh, did you do that?
Yo,
I don't know.
Chris, fire in the tree.
Uh-oh. Oh, motherfucker.
It's starting.
Yo.
We gotta get that out.
Oh, shit.
It's...
Ow.